swaggering out there.
Yeah, this cat dancing through the ocean here. That's who we have to go with. He has to go get his boat. I'm not swimming out there.
Well, hello everybody. Today we learn about my first drone experience. This time last year I bought a DJI Neo. I had seen a ton of interviews online and it seemed perfect for me. It was the cheapest thing on the market, and from what the reviews were telling me, it was damn near idiot proof. Perfect for a beginner. It comes with 6 preset modes on it, so even if I did nothing else with it, those would be useful. They showed me how to use it in the store when I bought it, and everything seemed to be fine, tracking and following me around the store. I did the same practice at home before taking it out in public, and usually it worked the same, but a couple of times, even though it was set to follow me or just to stay in place and track me, it would just gradually go to the ceiling like it was trying to go somewhere. I had to stand on a chair to reach it and pull it down those times. I didn't get to use it much. These are the only 2 scenes I actually filmed with it. Following me at the bus station here in my home in Con Tum, Vietnam, and also here in Con Tum, following me across this walking bridge. That was it. I did take it on an epic adventure to India, but everywhere I wanted to use it, I was told that it was a no drone zone, so I had to put it away.
I'm king of the world.
So here on my last day in Krabi, I risked it. I know they say not to use it over water, but I haven't got much use out of it. I thought this would be pretty cool. I set it to droney. It was focused on us and programmed to quickly go up and out and immediately come straight back. Instead, it started off normally for about 2 seconds. Then it quit climbing, but it still continued to go away from us. Then, instead of returning, it just started circling to our left and descending at the same time until bloosh. Then it went full submarine mode, never to be seen again.
Should I get in this water? Should I dive off into this water?
Sure. Well, we just had a mishap. We tried to fly the drone and it didn't make it. The drone landed right in the water. So now Anthony is he jumped in the water to try to find it. He's trying to move the propeller all the way for you. Well, it looks like it's gone forever. If you had your scuba gear, you can go scuba diving down in there.
Well, that was a waste of money. Thanks, DJI. Wow. That was embarrassing.
Well, we tried. Oh, but did you find the clue?
Yeah, the clue is don't buy a DJI Neo. Well, that was a waste of money. I bought a DJI Neo and I never got to use it. I took it to India with me and everywhere I went, no fly, no fly. People would stop me, so I never even got to put it up or use it for any of its basic features. And then now we find ourselves in Thailand, and I'm on a boat, and it has these presets to where it just circles you and then comes right back, or goes straight up and comes right back. And I put it on one of the settings, and everything was going fine. It was connected to my phone. I changed the settings, all great, and boom, it went out over the water and just descended and turned into a submarine. And it's gone now. It's lost to the sea. Never got any footage. This is ridiculous. I should have known better. I bought the cheapest, most easiest thing, thinking that would help me learn before I got something better, and it didn't matter. It was just a waste of money. All it did was take off and go in the water. So my fault for using it over water, I guess. Live and learn.
I'm glad I only spent $200 on this, and it was wise for me to start off cheap. Although if I would have gotten something better, I would have actually been flying it instead of relying on those preset modes, so who knows. Well, I think that may have been my one and only experience with drone ownership. I am sure I did something wrong, and it's probably my fault, so no hate on DJI. Well, that was embarrassing, and I figured I'd share it with you. It's that time of year again, and it's time to hit the road. Next time you see me, I will be coming to you from somewhere in South America. Well, I should be. Until next time, folks.